Go ahead.
Okay, today is Sadie's 3rd birthday.
Happy
Ready?
3rd birthday, Sadie. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sadie. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
All right.
to you. You live in a zoo.
You look like a monkey.
And you smell like
one,
two. Happy birthday.
All right, that's
Do you
enough.
want to tackle the candles all by yourself? Why don't you first tell Daddy how old you are? How old are you today? Tell Daddy.
All right, tell us like a 3-year-old would tell us.
Say, I'm 3 today, Daddy.
I'm here today, Daddy.
Awesome. Are you going to blow your candles out?
Ready? Get the other ones, quick. Yay!
Yay, good job.
Sadie. Good girl. Happy birthday, honey.
Smell good. The smoke doesn't smell good.
It's
we
probably
pull out
because
the
Sadie put her
candles?
hair in the flame a little bit, and